political representation. If you can remember the recent AU chairperson elections, then you know that a Djiboutian Somali guy by the name Mahmoud Ali Yusuf won. That's right. Kenya's president technically reports to a Somali boss. Closer to home, Somalis are dominating Kenya's political scene. Do you know the head of Kenya's National Intelligence Service, the Kenyan equivalent of CIA, is Somali? His name is Nordin Haji. The immediate Minister of Defense, Aden Duale, is a Somali. He's now the Environment Minister. Noor Gabo, another Somali, was the acting Inspector General of Police before being promoted to Consul General of Haiti's Kenyan peacekeeping force. Guess who's in charge of Kenya's Directorate of Criminal Investigations, the Kenyan version of FBI? Amin Ibrahim Mohammed, a Somali. It is difficult to forget the hard-hitting lawyer who interviewed judges in 2011 for the top job of the judiciary, and so many of them fail. The lawyer is Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi, who goes by the name the Grand Mullah. Farah Maalim was the highest-ranking Somali during the coalition government when he was elected the deputy speaker. He was the top-ranking Somali in the opposition. He is now the deputy party leader of the Wiper Democratic Party, one of Kenya's biggest political outfits. Amina Mohammed was the cabinet secretary for Foreign Affairs and International Trade during the previous Uhuru regime. 3 of Kenya's 7 representatives to the East African community are Somalis, despite being only one of the 43 communities in Kenya. Abdikadir Mohammed was Senior Advisor, Constitutional and Legal Affairs, Executive Office of the President. As we speak, the official State House spokesperson is none other than Hussein Mohammed, a Somali. The person who aborted the attempted coup in 1982, the only of its kind in Kenya, was a Somali, a military general called General Mohamud. Guess who was on the front line leading recent Gen Z protests? Young Somali activist by the name Hanifa. With such a strong presence, could a Somali president be on the horizon? Who knows? Maybe they'll be the ones to lead Kenya to the promised land. Maybe we should find out.